Hi there, it's David Norman from Discover Battery here. I'm with Jason Andrade outside Redding, California at his workshop. Jason and I just finished an Epic install today. Actually, Jason finished an Epic install today. Jason, specifically, now you've got two complete systems in your house. You run your house off one system of components. You've got your workshop here where you make your equipment and build all your stuff. You've got this running off the XW and R batteries. What were the key choices or why did you want this system for your workshop?
Living off grid, I have a lot of big loads that I'm trying to do, and previously they were all done off generator. And I really needed a product that would allow me to run high start surge currents, whether it's going to be the wood shop stuff that I have or running a welder. But really, living off grid, one of our hardest things has always been air conditioning, especially in the climate that we live in. So I needed a battery that could put out a high surge ratio to start certain appliances. Like I want to put an air conditioner in, and so I needed something that could be scalable and with both the inverter and the battery, and be able to start stuff, like an air conditioner, to kind of make our life a little bit easier. So with this battery having 130 amp continuous with a 400 amp surge, we have two parallel connections. We have the ability right now to run some really, some decent sized appliances
Yeah,
and
that's
not have a
1200
lot,
amps,
yeah,
right?
and not have a lot of strain on what's going on.
Okay, again, this is Jason Andrade, West Coast Sustainables. We talked a bit about a feature that we refer to at Discover as Rush, and that's just the ability of our batteries to handle high surge loads. Thanks very much for watching and appreciate your time.